So, hello.
Hi,
Very good evening.
very good evening, but here is afternoon. Yeah, and I'm the front of the sea. Did you see the sea?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah, so it's nice sea, and I'm just chilling out here.
Okay. So,
Hmm.
I think this is morning time there.
Afternoon, 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay. So, I know you and I conversation with you lots of time, but my viewers, my subscribers don't know you. So, could you please introduce yourself to my viewers?
Okay, so my name is Max, and I'm coming to UK before 2 years ago, and I did masters here, and I live here for the 2.5 years. Now I get a work permit here, so probably I'm getting a PR here as well. So that's my introduction. I'm the smallest part of India. My town name is Gurakoi, and my district is Anand, was popular for the Amul dairy. So yeah, that's it.
Okay. Fantastic. I want to talk with you and your wife. So, can we talk in the next video?
Yeah, absolutely. My wife lives in Dubai. So yeah, and we meet in 2nd of May in Delhi. So yeah, you can talk with together in separate video or both in videos as well. Because if you try to calling at the 4th of May, we will talk together.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, really, you are a very wonderful man, human being, because you always support me if I have any doubt in English. So, I will. I just ask to you. You just tell me, and when I talk to you, I really just think that I'm talking to my elder
I'm
brother.
always yeah, okay. I'm always available for you. Anytime you want to talk with me, just tell me on WhatsApp. Whenever I have time, I will talk to you.
Okay.
Alright?
Can we talk in a topic?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, so the topic is what is importance of English in our life.
Oh, okay. As we know, English is the most popular language in every country. Like India have a some people speak with Hindi language and Gujarati, whatever the language, but everybody knows the English language because the most popular language. And abroad have their native language and other language is English. So the English is important for the tourism, English for important for the grown up, English for important to everything. Yeah, English is like the first language in I see in my Gujarat. The first language is Gujarati native, and the other thing is preferable language to the English language. So everybody talking English, everybody speaking English, that is the one
Yes,
reason. If you find a job, you need to have learn English language. If you want to start a business, you can communicate with many of the countries, and then you not
yes,
learn much more languages. Like if you want to talk, if you want to business like in Japan, so you learn Japanese. If you want to try business in
yeah,
Malaysia, you learn Malaysian language. But if you learn a one language, English, then it's enough. Japanese knows the English, Malaysian knows the English, everybody knows the English as well.
yes.
Yeah.
English, every people, in every country, people usually use English.
Yes.
There are two languages they people use, like our mother tongue, and then the second thing is English.
English. Yes. Did you ever visit any beaches in India?
No,
No. You just care about the water?
no, I know about water, but I never go nearby beach.
All right.
So you daily go to beach, nearby beach?
Yes, I'm nearly. I'm walking near to probably walking 10 minutes distance,
You're in
and after that, yeah, after that I have a nice beach. So I'm wandering here and fishing here. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, is it nearby your home?
Yes, it's Toronto away from my home.
Okay. But here are, I think, so many beach, but I never see any beach.
No. The India have a lot of beach.
I just see in one beach.
Yeah, I know. India have a lot of beach and India have full of beach, but you luckily go when you have time. You can go on beach. It's a nice time spending on a beach. Yeah, I love the
No,
water.
I think beach is not near to my home.
Alright. Where you live?
Now I'm in Noida, city of Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. So okay. I'll visit 6th of May Lucknow. Lucknow is nearby you. Did you know the Lucknow?
Yes.
Yeah. Is it nearby you?
Here just stop.
I don't know what happened because of the network issue.
Your Yeah, it's network issue. Your images just suddenly stop. Now I can see you properly.
Okay. Alright.
So what do you want to ask to me?
Let's just ask you, is it Lucknow nearby you or not?
Yes, Lucknow is nearby my home.
Okay, so I visit the 6th of May on Lucknow. I come back to
Yeah.
India. Yeah,
Yeah.
I've been in India for the 8 days.
Yeah.
2nd of
Okay.
May to 10th of May, I'm in India.
Okay.
Yes.
So I want to meet with you.
Oh, you can join me in Lucknow, okay? My
Okay.
engagement, yeah, my engagement in the 6th of May. 6th of May is my engagement day. So I'm engaged then. Yeah, you can meet me and my wife as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will come on your
Engagement. Yes, of course. Yeah.
Okay. So you have to send me your location. I will come.
Yeah, I sent you location. It's nearby to the railway station, but I sent the full location, and then you can come back, come and join to us. Okay, bring your parents as well.
Yes.
Okay, and my marriage is 8th of July, so you again come to the 8th of July is my marriage. Okay, you can join us in my marriage as well. Okay.
Okay. So I will come there. When your engagement?
After the 25 days later, 7th of May, my engagement date, and 8th of July, my marriage date.
Okay.
Okay, alright?
Yeah.
Okay. Then do that. And did you have any questions?
And no.
Okay. Did you ever visit? Do you want to visit the UK?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, you just learn more and more, and then after the 12th, after your 12th class, you can apply for the visa, okay? And then you can come here.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. How was your study going?
It's going fantastic.
Nice. And how much you score out of 100?
Okay, so my like what are you saying? Like my marks?
Yeah, out of 100, how much you?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, it's 70%.
70%, yeah. Okay, good. When I was a little, I learn, but I get only 35 marks out of 100.
Oh, only 35 marks?
Yes, yes, yes. But I get a degree, and I have master's completed master here as well. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Yes.
See you.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you.
See you again. Take care.
Nice to talk with you. Bye bye.
Yeah. Thank you for giving me your wonderful time.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.